hitting the ground at full force. Only inches of steel decide survival or collapse.
But inside the landing gear, something is already breaking.
Microscopic cracks are growing, silently and invisibly.
Every landing transfers massive kinetic energy instantly. Hydraulic systems absorb impact, but only up to a limit.
Failure begins where you can't see, inside the metal.
Inside the landing gear, microscopic cracks are already forming.
They are invisible to the eye, but dangerous enough to collapse the structure.
We use precision sensors to detect metal fatigue before failure begins.
And we stud hydraulic systems that absorb extreme landing forces.
This is a constant battle between engineering and gravity.
Because once the crack grows, there is no second chance. Microscopic cracks are already inside the metal.
Engineers track them using precision sensors to stop failure before it starts.